Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a closer look at PayPal, the online payment platform used by millions around the world. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of PayPal can be incredibly beneficial. From sending money to friends and family to making secure online purchases, PayPal offers a range of services designed to simplify your financial transactions. Let's dive in and explore what makes PayPal such a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. One of the key advantages of using PayPal is its enhanced security features. When you link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account, you don't have to share your sensitive financial information directly with online vendors. This added layer of protection helps to safeguard your data and reduce the risk of fraud. Plus, PayPal offers buyer protection policies that can help you resolve issues if something goes wrong with a purchase. Beyond its security benefits, PayPal also boasts incredible convenience. Sending and receiving money is quick and easy, allowing you to transfer funds with just a few clicks. No more writing checks or waiting for bank transfers to clear. PayPal facilitates near-instantaneous transactions. This streamlined process is particularly helpful for international payments, where traditional methods can be slow and expensive. For online businesses, PayPal provides a seamless checkout experience for customers. By integrating PayPal into your website, you can offer a variety of payment options, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases. This can lead to increased sales and improved customer satisfaction. Additionally, PayPal offers tools for managing your finances, such as tracking payments and generating reports. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, PayPal can help you streamline your payment processing and optimize your financial operations. So, next time you're shopping online or sending money to someone, consider using PayPal. It's secure, convenient, and a versatile tool for managing your finances in the digital age.